For ages, green tea has been used to maintain good health. In Asian countries, especially in China, it is known as the beverage of eternal youth because of its benefits. But did you know that green tea is largely used in hair products because of its antioxidant properties that are linked not only to hair growth but also as a way to counter hair loss? So in this video, we'll show you a homemade recipe to make your eyebrows grow thicker and fuller. Green tea, when applied on the hair, helps in the growth and strengthening of hair follicles, which are responsible for the growth of new hair, both in your head and eyebrows. If your eyebrows are irregular, see how green tea can help you. Ingredients: 1 vitamin E capsule, 1 tablespoon green tea, 1 cup water. Directions: at night, prepare a cup of green tea and let it cool down completely. With a cotton swab, apply the tea over your eyebrows. After that, apply the contents of vitamin E capsules over the area and go to sleep. The next morning, wash your face and remove the mixture from your eyebrows. Repeat the process for few weeks. Try it and share your experience of using green tea to naturally fill your eyebrows. If you liked this video, click the red subscribe button of my channel to get notified for the amazing new content. Also, give this video a big thumbs up.